One tap, no paperwork, instant credit. But here's the real question. Is digital credit helping us or quietly trapping us? I'm Indu Malik, a seasoned IT professional based in India, closely tracking how technology is reshaping finance.
I'm Aakash Singh Tahlan, an IT and fintech professional, working as a QA and test manager with PMO experience, deep inside how these systems actually work.
Aakash, digital credit and BNPL are everywhere today. What really changed?
Earlier, credit was about eligibility. Today, it's about convenience. BNPL didn't remove debt, it removed the pain of paying. When payment feels invisible, spending becomes careless.
Defaults don't look alarming yet, so where's the risk?
The risk is distributed. One user, 5 apps, small EMIs everywhere. Income stays the same, but obligations multiply. This creates silent over-leverage, slow but dangerous.
AI-driven credit scoring is supposed to manage risk. Does it?
AI predicts behavior, not discipline. It approves fast but doesn't teach restraint. When speed becomes the KPI, risk always shows up later, with interest.
So who really pays when this system breaks?
Not platforms, not investors. The user pays through late fees, damaged credit scores, and mental stress. Digital debt doesn't shout, it leaks quietly into life.
Are we heading toward a crisis?
Not a sudden crash like 2008. This is a behavioral debt crisis. Regulations will tighten, credit will slow, and users will realize convenience is never free. If a product makes debt feel easy, it must also make consequences visible. Innovation without responsibility is just delayed damage.
Stay informed, stay conscious. Subscribe for more real conversations on technology and money.